Good morning. What I have here this morning is another vaporizer. It's a kind of bigger one. The name is a BLVK bar. Nio X call system. I don't know what the or N10 X call system means. 20,000 puffs. There's your charger port. And here's the switch that you can adjust the settings, and here is the type of airflow that you need. Then here's a display. If you just puff a little bit here, you switch off the light as you can see. There's the display. There's your normal, I think we can do the settings there, normal, low and max. There's a name, and then your battery power and your how many puffs is left. But the type of the flavor is double spearmint ice. Okay, now let's open this thing. It's kind of easy. You just grab it with the hand, and then you pull this, give this a hank, and then it comes out. See, comes out now. Okay, there's your rubber mold, and obviously a little filter material sponge to soak up all the excess fluid. And okay, then there's your battery. Let's pull this out. Then there's your volume. All the stuff is gonna fall out there in the bottom. You just need to put them back. There's your soaking material, the sponge, and the display and the battery. And here is the electronics, the switch, and the vacuum device will obviously just here in the bottom here. That's it. That's a kind of nice unit. You can just never pull this thing out. Always pull this thing one way, like sideways, and then you fill it up there. Now we need to put these things back together again. There's your volume device, and then your switch. It's a bit of a kind of an issue here. Put these things back. That's it. Now they're all back, and now you can put them back. There's your switch part. Put it the right way around, and then you slide it in. That's it. And then you put this. All this rubber is just to seal the vacuum when you pull, to seal the cavity there. Okay, now you can put your lid on. This one is quite easy to actually to fill. BLVK bar. Okay, there's your puffs here. That's it. That's all from my side from the of this vaporized model, a BKVA bar. That's a very nice one. Depends on what type of flavor you want, but I would say that's a nice big one. It will last you a long time. There's your charging port. That's it. Okay, till next time. Cheers.